Hello YouTubers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for joining me again on my channel. Welcome to Granny's Vids. Just an update really on the hydrogen stuff. I've my last ATX power supply, I upped the amps too high in the generator, and I pulled in just over 2 amps into from the mains into the actual ATX power supply because I didn't have it fused. Something went wrong with it. I took it all apart, tested capacitors, etc., and all the diodes. Turns out as a MOSFET wasn't switching properly, so that's what I blew up, the MOSFET inside the ATX power supply. And they're about £5 each, so I thought, well, bugger that, chuck it away. I've got another one now. This is a 350 watt ATX power supply. Currently pulling in just under 600 milliamps. DC power, 12 volt. I'm pulling amperage just over, well, I say 6-7 amps. A little hydrogen flame there. What I've also utilised is this. Here is from a Draper electric handheld drill, battery drill, and in these drills you get these lovely little MOSFETs which act as like a PWM. It's on full at the moment on a clamp there. I'm possibly getting some better gas made from that, so that's something I'm working on at the moment. I'll do some tests with it and without it later on. But with the power supply, I've made some changes as well. I've made the 5 volt and the 3.3 volt independent of themselves with these connectors here, so I can power anything I like really, such as 12 volt LEDs underneath the bubbler there, so I can have these independent really, and also a main switch, which this is this switch here. I'll show you inside it actually. Let's get rid of all this other stuff. So have a look inside here. What I've done this time, some changes to it. This switch is connected to the what you would call the PS on wire, which is the green one, and you ground out to a black one. And this switch is a double switch, so therefore the other side of the switch goes to an LED saying it's power on, which is connected also to the grey wire, which the grey wire and ATX machines power okay, so if the voltage have got a problem, it will sort of go out and it will let me know really. I've also put an inline fuse with the amp meter that goes to my 12 volt outlet. That's got a 10 amp fuse in it, so if that does go too high, I'll just trip the fuse and it won't blow up my ATX machine. I've installed the fan there, cooling fan, to cool the wires down, and I've used these wires on their own. They can carry about 6 amps, so I don't need to use all those wires on the smaller outlets, on the 3.3 and a 5 and a 12 volt here, but I have used a few wires. Each of these can carry 6 amps each. That's plenty for what I want to do for my hydrogen. Yeah, so I thought I'd give an update really. It's the new ATX supply. Chuck some LEDs on it, and don't forget to also use relevant resistors for each outlet. I've got I'll do another video to how to calculate resistors for LEDs later on. Just thought I'd give you an update, guys. Thanks again. See you later.